Rapid growth has been a hallmark of India in the 21st century. While our nation has taken leaps and bounds in progress, safety standards have always been an issue in India, where a building and construction boom is helping the country maintain a GDP of over 4%. But as the number and scale of airports, toll roads, skyscrapers and mall projects increase, so does the risk of tragedy. The number of accidents is increasing at an alarming rate in mining, manufacturing and construction as industry expands. The severity of the concern for safety standards is reflected from the fact that the manufacturing sector is placed next to only agriculture in the number of workers that it employs. Take a look at how meticulous safety standards and practices achieve zero fatalities at workplace.
With over 1 billion Indians and counting, India's strength lies in her people. And with about a 400 million strong workforce, which drives India's economy, it is a fast and a competitive world that we live in today. It also seems to have become a common practice to have little regard for safety of the millions of workers at the workplace. With a shocking number of work-related injuries and accidents on the rise.
If you talk about workplace safety and the lax attitude towards it in India, all you have to really do is just open up the newspaper every morning. And when you look at it, every day there is probably one article on a workplace injury or a serious workplace fatality. This lax attitude largely comes about because we do not believe that there are any consequences to having a hazardous workplace. There's a whole bunch of underreporting.
Most workplaces in India have prescribed safety norms, procedures and equipment, and some innovative ones at that, especially for workers working in manufacturing and industrial units. But what is needed is not just an exterior safety gear, but a change in attitude and an innovation in our thinking and approach to safety at the workplace. At DuPont, safety at its manufacturing units and plants is not just a parameter. It is a culture, a way of life embedded in the company's DNA and approached with scientific precision to minimize risks to human life. DuPont's Savli manufacturing facility boasts of a record of 13 years of no injury or accidents on the site.
For DuPont, safety is in our blood. We are more than 210-year-old company, and we have changed our operation throughout last 210 years. But one thing which has not changed is our core value.
The uncompromising commitment to safety is evident in the fact that right from a humble gardener to the shop floor worker to the topmost management at DuPont's Savli industrial facility, everyone participates in the culture of safety. The devil lies in the details, and at DuPont, no detail is too little when it comes to minimizing risks to safety at the workplace, and even instances of a near-miss injury pondered and worked upon.
This is a typical example of log-out, tag-out. We ensure that the equipment which we wanted to do a maintenance on is properly logged out. All the energy sources are disconnected and this equipment is ready to work on and complete the maintenance. The difference you could see here, you could see 3 different logs. So that means 3 different people who are going to work on this equipment has logged out. And they have a personal responsibility to make sure that anybody who is working on this equipment is safe while they are completing the job. Once the job is completed, they will remove the lock one by one. And then this will be handed over for the operation to start it safely.
While every manufacturing plant has its safe zone in the work floor area of its plant to designate safe and unsafe areas for the workers to tread on, DuPont has taken it a step further, quite literally, by designating a safe zone for people to walk on. The reason?
In the plant where hazard is obvious, you could see a lot of signage put in place to make sure that people who are working there are working safely. But we take this culture outside the plant. And this is a typical example of that. This yellow line is put in place on road to make sure that human walk between the lines. And with this process in place, we are ensuring that the potential intervention between automobiles and humans are prevented, and hence any near misses can be preventable.
The extent to which the culture of safety is internalized by the people who work at DuPont is reflected in their enthusiasm and enhanced productivity.
Here in DuPont, safety department is not a safety department, it's not only a function. We follow a religion.
There's nothing more precious than human life. While every challenge has a possible solution, risk to human life can never be undermined. And with a constant, sustained and committed effort towards safety for workers' lives, minimal workplace injuries and fatalities can become a reality.
We extend this culture to people who are working around us, not only supplier but also associates, other companies. The contractor who is coming at the site, they get a lot of knowledge, and when they go out, they also use this knowledge for their safety.
Over the course of the past half an hour, we have brought you face to face with companies and innovators who believe that an assembly line of global equality standard products will not put India on the world map. What will is an equal respect for the human life that drives these assembly line construction sites and manufacturing units. The emphasis on the worth of human life cannot be undermined in a country like India, where our population and our labor workforce is our strength. And don't forget to tune in to the Power of Shunya Quest for Zero next week, where this incredible journey comes to an end, at least for season 1. We'll bring you some of the finest minds in the country as they discuss their vision for driving down the challenges that India is dealing with to Shunya. Don't forget to tune into this very special telecast. Until next week, it's me, Anupam Kher, saying goodbye.